Hello and welcome back to yet another video. Today we're taking out my BMW 340i Touring. This is the, as you can see, Touring. It's long, it's loud, and it's pretty fast. It's rear wheel drive, it's a 2016 model, so it's got no OPF. It also has the MPPK system, which is the M Performance Power and Sound Kit. And because of that, it sounds like this. So yes, this thing is a lot louder than a stock 340i, and that is because the exhaust is an M Performance exhaust before the OPF and all the filters have kicked in. So it's basically from the cats down, it's still got the cats and the obviously the normal downpipe. From there, once it's in Sport or Sport Plus, or right now during the cold start, it's basically a straight pipe. So we're going to warm up the car as we drive for a little bit, and then you get to hear how loud and how good this thing sounds. So the car is now warmed up and ready to go. I'm going to put it in Sport and it's going to sound like this. And I'm going to put it in Sport Plus and I'm going to put it in manual. And you get the cracks and the pops. And the best sounds in the world. This thing sounds so good. The mighty B58, eh? Yeah, once you put this thing in Sport Plus, it completely changes the car. Like when you're driving in comfort, yes, it's slightly louder than stock 340 with a stock exhaust, but once you're in Sport Plus, it really opens up. I mean, Sport Plus, same thing, and you'll see me shifting a lot through the lever. It does exactly the same thing as the paddles, but this is because whenever you turn in tight turns, I don't like shifting through the paddles because they're in a weird position, so I'd rather just do this. And especially when you want to skid and do something like that, then it's a lot easier to shift through the paddles because you don't have to figure out which one's the upshift or downshift on your steering wheel while it's upside down, do you know what I mean? I do hope you enjoy the sounds and I hope they come across well. And hopefully the microphone hasn't fallen off the car. That would be lovely. Yeah, if I put it in neutral and I give a few revs. That's just 3,000 RPM. I don't want to do it more because it's a residential area. There you go, please, come after me. By the way, if you can hear some noise in the inside, I apologize, there's some stuff rattling in the glove box, I believe. It's driving me insane, but hopefully you cannot hear it. The stops are a bit violent. I hope the microphone can actually pick those up. If not, then you know it's loud. the thing is, this car sounds like this, factory, like I haven't done anything to it. This is what BMW made it sound like with the MPPK system. It's not like I've added a AK map, a pops and bangs map. Nope, I didn't do anything. This is bone stock basically from BMW. Alrighty, but this concludes the end of the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. Let me turn the exhaust off, put it back in comfort. There you go, nice and quiet now. It's like nothing ever happened. But yeah, I do hope you've enjoyed the video. There you go, fuel reserve. Would you look at that? Ha! Funny that. Yeah, Sport Plus in these cars is not particularly economical. Right on cue. Right on cue. But anyway, I do hope you've enjoyed the end of the video. And leave a like if you did. Comment your thoughts about the 340. Would you purchase one in 2024 or 25? Would you get a 2016, 2017 car? Honestly, I would highly advise you to, because these things are so much fun, and you can grab one for like 20k. They're super cheap nowadays, and for this much power and this much fun, really, like, it doesn't get much better. But anyway, please subscribe if you did enjoy, and if you like the car, leave a like, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.